It's a twister, peeps.
A snow twister.
The snow twist, that's crazy. It's the reflection of this curtain a little bit. I never seen anything look like that before. Have you? It's kind of scary, huh?
Yeah. And hard too, huh?
Yeah, it's coming down.
It's very sticky.
Yeah. I just got out of the shower over here at a Route 66 casino resort. Look at that, buddy. And TM. There's a twister on TM. Look at that. I'm scared, buddy. What if it's a twister?
Excuse me.
Are you going to take pictures?
I'll take a picture.
It's time to take a pig. Look at that, peeps. That is something else.
So weird.
It is, and all over there's the parking area.
It's coming down harder now.
We're on the 3rd floor. Want to go outside?
No. I feel like it's sucked up by snow.
Look at that, buddy. Can you believe that?
It's weird.
It is. Look how white everything got, huh?
Yeah. Imagine driving in this.
Yeah.
That's why they're going slow, look.
Oh yeah, look, you can barely see the. It's I-40 over there. Back there.
It's weird. I don't want that.
Ooh, I know. Shit's going crazy. Weather, people.
I wish there was a balcony.
I know. Crazy, man. Crazy. Hope y'all staying safe out there. Because this is crazy.
And that'll be all sunny tomorrow.
I know, right? It's supposed to be sunny this weekend.
80.
80 degrees. That's something else, peeps. Wow. Check it out, peeps. It stopped. It's a snow cloud. Oh, look at that cloud on this. It's kind of creepy. But you see, zoom in. It's kind of like little fairies a little bit. It's kind of come down. Look at I-40 over there. Diesels and like they're all backed up. That's the freeway. That's I-40. I think that's something. I'm cashing out for the night. It's like 3:30 in the morning. And headed back to Albuquerque. Hope everyone's alright over there. You see that, buddy? That's crazy. Yeah, the one's going up and then there's ones coming down. On the freeway. It's crazy. Stay safe, peeps. Stay safe out there. And it's back to 80 degrees, how many?
Yeah.
On Sunday. You got some good snow. And the storm is over now. It was foggy earlier this morning. It is 10:30. There's I-40. Got snowed. It's crazy last night. We're backing up, get ready to leave here. In our hotel room. Me and my buddy. We're at Route 66. Hotel and casino. Y'all be safe out there. Have a good day, peeps. Snow's melting away already. Look at the steam, peeps. I don't know if you can see it. It's steaming. Huh? Yeah, right? That's something. This is where we stayed at. We're facing the other direction. We're gonna go inside and eat. Get a carbone! Oh yeah, look at that. And the truck's over there. And we're gonna get our grub on. Grub on! How thick is it, buddy? 3 inches? Jeez. You got cray last night. Wow. We go get our grub on. Oh yeah, look at that piled up right there. Look at the fog. It's foggy. Wow. Here we're going inside. Cool. We'll go get our grub on. Yeah. Yes, peeps. They didn't give us no prize. Guess I charged extra. They look good. The green chili. Yummer. Look at that, babes. We're headed towards back home. And there's a gate broke. We decided to stop by the volcanoes and look at the mountains, babes. And Albuquerque's down there. Look at that! Ain't that something? And there's all the downtown, our little skyscrapers.
Downtown.
Yeah. Our mountain's 10,000 feet tall. Give or take 100 or so feet. We're over here at the volcanoes. Right there, there's a volcano right there. Another one right there. Ooh. Looks like powdered sugar, huh?
Yeah.
Albuquerque, New Mexico.
That snow is crazy now.
It was, huh? Ooh.